In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your door sill plate, which is this trim piece that sits at the bottom of your door on your Ford F-150. Let's get started. To remove this, you would just grab it wherever. Here, it's broken a little bit for me, so I'm able to grab it easily. If you can't with your hand, just use a trim tool. And then it's got several clips that run all along. You want to just pry these up. And there it is. Now you would take your new piece, if you had one, line it up with the push clips. A lot of times you'll have a line on the carpet from where it was, so it's pretty easy to line up. And once it falls into place, tap it down and off you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.